How to complete COUB tasks. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to complete COUB tasks. So for that, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for COUB, and you can install the application in your device if you want to, or if you don't want to install the application, you can use the web version of COUB. While simply click on the invite link that I have just attached in my description box. You can simply go there and click on that particular link, and as soon as you click on the particular link, this website will open up. So I have just opened the application in my device, but if you want to open it through the link, you just have to simply click on the link, and this link will redirect you to the Telegram account where you can see this particular chatbot right here on my screen. And in order to complete the task in order to complete the COUB daily task, just simply click on the play section from the bottom left corner of the mobile screen, and it will open up the website over here. And right now, as you can see that it's a brand new account. That is why I don't have any COUB in my account, but I just got the daily check-in COUB in my account. So just simply click on claim over here, and the COUB coins or rewards will be added in your account. So as you can see that the 10 COUB has been added into my account. And now in order to claim or complete the task to claim multiple rewards point in the app itself, just simply scroll down, and you will be able to see that I have 22 more tasks to complete for the day in order to earn up to 385 COUBs. So I'm gonna click on the first one. Just simply click on claim, and as you can see that the reward points had been added over here. And now we will see the edit channel info, and just simply click on start from there. And I just have to edit the channel and just simply add multiple details of yours. So as you can see that my name and title has been added. You can also upload your picture over here and add description. You can add whatever you want to add, and click on save change. And as soon as it is done, your task will be completed, and the reward points that has been associated with this particular task will be added in your account over here. As you can see that I have completed 2 tasks right now. You can likewise complete all these tasks in which the start has been written, so that you can earn multiple reward points. So I'm going to click on the second one, and now over here you have to log in into your account, and just follow this page. Click on login over here, select your account, and once it is done, you can go ahead and share this particular link as well with other players or other people who are also want to use this particular platform. And likewise you can complete all these tasks in order to earn some COUBs in your wallet. And once you're done completing the task, the points and reward points will be added into your account, and once the withdrawal date will be announced, you will be able to withdraw all these COUBs as per the withdrawal rate. And this will last for 14 days. So make sure that you don't miss out on this particular opportunity, and just claim multiple or as many as reward points as you can. So yeah, that is it for this video, and this is basically how you will be able to complete tasks and earn some reward points on COUB. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.